I think the biggest pressure that has been is that while we very quickly switched to online, mode. I think 23rd of March is when the lockdown was announced. I think by the 27th or 28th, we were already doing online onboarding, right? So that
Right.
switch was easier. But I think what took the mickey out of us was to manage the supply chain, right? Which was not geared to then give, everything that is required by a new hire to get them up and running in a
Yeah.
secure manner, which included laptop, okay, which included, and those stories have done the rounds in corporate circles because every company went through that, right?
Yeah.
People don't have basics like the electricity. Electricity sometimes doesn't work. There isn't a table and chair to place, right? So to get infrastructure and to move from a 60,000 people sitting across whatever 20 buildings, and now
Yeah.
everybody is all over the place, right? Figuring out the logistics and the supply chain, I think, was the toughest part, and that in the middle of a pandemic where people have issues around, I'm in a quarantine zone, I'm in a red zone, I'm this zone, that zone,
Yeah.
right? I mean, that I think was the stuff nightmares are made of for the first I think almost month, 2 months. Okay, but I think we all rallied together. But the good news in all of this, Kiran, despite everything that was happening there, was that the teams that were used to doing a lot of high touch onboarding, the speed with which they embraced, being on Zoom, understanding how troubleshooting is to be done, figuring out the hotspots on what candidates will get confused with. The speed with which I think the sourcing teams negotiated stuff like we negotiated with Adobe to get them integrated and start the signatures, which I think a lot of speed with which we adapted to the new environment, and all of this was stuff that from in-house, in the face, high touch. And that I don't think it was any different for any other company which has a high people touch enterprise. But I think that was the biggest thing. But much to our surprise, Kiran, we had thought that doing a low touch remote onboarding is something that may not go down well with people. Surprisingly, the generation we are dealing with now, and I'm using the word generically, right? Because typically 22 to 28 years old is our typical age bracket in which people join us, at least at the entry level, right?
Yeah.
The ease with which they joined, and the speed with which they warmed up to the idea that this is going to happen remotely. And it was almost like, I mean, if not this, then what? I mean, how else were you doing it earlier? Right. So I think that was a dramatic change, more for us than for the candidates. And for those who had never been through the journey of going 2 hours to Noida to get onboarded, those questions disappeared, right? I mean, people stopped asking, why do you call it Noida for just onboarding, right? Why couldn't I have been onboarded in Tilokera or Gurgaon when I'm supposed to work? So, that I think changed dramatically. The other thing which I think the teams had to get used to is that there were processes set up which were already paper intensive. So people were used to flipping files and checking, yes, all paperwork is there. Yes, I have all the stuff that is supposed to work and all of that, right? None of that was available anymore. So for them to actually check what the file looks like, right? I think that transition also, again, much to my surprise, the teams warmed up to it very quickly. We have now what we call as e-signature experts in the team. Okay, anywhere in the company they need somebody, to configure an e-signature, they call my team because these guys do it now for like 2,000 times in a month.
Amazing. That's awesome. Yeah.
I have only one thing to add. I think Genpact's philosophy in the last 12 months has primarily been adapt and rise.
Right.
And I would say, if in a sentence we summarize what we've gone through as a team, primarily keeping onboarding criticality to getting revenue generating resources in the company, is how this team has actually adopted a new way of working. It has adapted to the realities of new world, which none of us imagined collectively or even singularly. And then we have risen to the occasion to still make sure that we never have a situation where we miss an onboarding because we didn't know how to do things.